Hi friends, it's Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org, and today we're going to be opening the brand new Artza box. It's called Christmas Joy, and I haven't done any research into this one at all, so this is going to be a complete surprise to me with this unboxing today. The box is already being sent. If you haven't listened to any of my other Artza box unboxings before, everything in here is made by an artisan in Israel, and they have already sent these to the United States. So if you live here, you will be able to get it even though the war is still going on. So let's see what's inside of it. And you can get a coupon code by heading to my website, iChooseJoy.org/Artza, and you'll be able to see the coupon code. It might be /Artza Box. Now I can't remember. All right, so this one has this Christmas card showing Jerusalem in the snow. Here is Bethlehem, the birthplace of Jesus. This is a recipe, Ceylon oat crushed cookies. So the recipe is on the back. And it says what's included in your box. So I will keep this one out so that I can check and see what each thing is. And then here are some of the artisans who have created things for this particular box. I love getting to know these people and reading about them. It has a little bit of their story on the back. Always so fun. All right, here is Christmas Joy. And then here is a special note that is explaining, like, it was founded during the COVID pandemic and the purpose of Artza Box and their mission. So you can read that note there. All right, so the first thing I see is a food item. This, I don't know how, oh, here it is. It's called halva coated nuts. All right, so that is the first item in our box. Let me look on here. So handmade in Galilee, these delicious halva nut desserts are a winter treat. Next we have tea. Yay, I love tea. Chamomile rose lavender tea. Yum. It says about this one, it's a delicious boutique tea made by an organization that supports teenagers and children with Down syndrome. Next we have align the cubes so that each symbol appears on every side. So it looks like it might be a game. Let me read about this one. I don't see anything about this. Okay, puzzles. So it's a puzzle of the 4 cities and Nazareth. Okay, these are the 4 cities. Nazareth, the hometown of Jesus. Bethlehem, the birthplace of Jesus. Jerusalem, the spiritual heart of the Holy Land. And Galilee, where Jesus performed many miracles and shared his teachings. So it is a puzzle. I'll have to open that up and play that. There's still more. Oh, this is heavy. This is called date syrup. Let's see, ingredients, dates. That's the only ingredient. It says 100% natural. Let's see what it says about this one. I don't see that one on here either. Okay, let's keep going. In a secret little box, so I'll have to open that up to see what's in it. Oh, this is pretty. I think it's a candle holder because it looks like about the right size for a candle holder. So a Star of David. And then it says it was made in Bethlehem. So this is made of wood. Let's see if this one is on here. The Vazu flower vase. No, it's probably not this. The Star of David candle. There we go. Entirely handmade from locally grown olive wood in Bethlehem by a Christian craftsman named Jamil. All right. That's so pretty. Then we have a ceramic ornament. And this one says, the stunning set is entirely handmade by an organization that hires young adults with special abilities. So, made in Israel, let me open it up and take a look at this one. And I think it's breakable, so I'm going to try to be very careful. There are 2 pieces. Okay, here we go. There's one piece and this one. So I'm going to be hanging up these up on my Christmas tree, which I am putting up on Friday. Still a couple more things in here. We have, this is a vase. It says, you take the vazu out of the envelope, fill it halfway with water, and add flowers. Interesting. Wow. Huh. So, I'm really curious about how this works. So it is actually a vase. It feels like it's plastic. So you fill that with water. I'm going to have to try that. Very interesting. Okay, see this? And then that's what it will look like. And the last one says it is a journal, I believe. It's Hineni Journal. The stunning prayer journal was exclusively designed by Jerusalemite Hagar Tirosh for Artza. Each page is meticulously handmade. No 2 are alike, each one distinct and lovingly created. How beautiful. The journal is assembled in partnership with an organization empowering women who have bravely left abusive relationships, each one reclaiming their own voice. The Hebrew prayers, songs, poetry, and quotes throughout are carefully chosen to inspire your thoughts. All right, so here's the back of it. Let me open this up. So beautiful. So this is what they were talking about, certain things throughout. So it's got lined pages, it has some blank pages. This is going to be fun. Oh, and here's one that has a poem on it. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so that is this month's Artza Box. Let me see if I can show you everything before we close up today so you can remember what you're getting. In the Christmas Joy box, you've got the journal, the puzzles, the tea, date syrup, nuts, the vase, the Star of David candle holder, so I can put that there, and the ornaments. All right, I think that was everything that we have in the Christmas Joy box, and be sure to get the coupon code over at ichoosejoy.org/ArtzaBox.